Generation in computer terminology is a change in technology how a computer was being used. Initially, the generation term was used to distinguish between varying hardware technologies. Nowadays, generation includes both hardware and software, which together make up an entire computer system. There are 5 computer generations known to date. Each generation has been discussed in detail along with their period and characteristics. First generation. The period of the first generation was from 1946 to 1959. The computers of first generation used vacuum tubes as the basic components for memory and circuitry for CPU, Central Processing Unit. These tubes, like electric bulbs, produced a lot of heat and the installations used to fuse frequently. Therefore, they were very expensive and only large organizations were able to afford it. Second generation. The period of the second generation was from 1959 to 1965. In this generation, transistors were used that were cheaper, consumed less power, more compact, more reliable and faster than the first generation machines made of vacuum tubes. In this generation, magnetic cores were used as the primary memory and magnetic tape and magnetic disks as secondary storage devices. Third generation. The period of the third generation was from 1965 to 1971. The computers of the third generation used integrated circuits, ICs, in place of transistors. A single IC has many transistors, resistors, and capacitors along with the associated circuitry. Fourth generation. The period of the fourth generation was from 1971 to 1980. Computers of fourth generation used very large-scale integrated, VLSI, circuits. VLSI circuits having about 5,000 transistors and other circuit elements with their associated circuits on a single chip made it possible to have microcomputers of the fourth generation. Fifth generation. The period of fifth generation is from 1980 till date. In the fifth generation, VLSI technology became ULSI, ultra-large-scale integration, technology, resulting in the production of microprocessor chips having 10 million electronic components. This generation is based on parallel processing hardware and AI, artificial intelligence, software. AI is an emerging branch in computer science, which interprets the means and method of making computers think like human beings. All the high-level languages like C and C++, Java, .NET etc. are used in this generation. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.